Bioethics. Bioethics is a study of tropical ethics brought about by advances in biology and medicine. It is also moral discernment as it relates to medical policy. Practice and research. Bioethics are concerned with the ethical questions that arise in the relationship among life sciences, biotechnology, medicine, politics, law, and philosophy. It also includes the study of the more commonplace question of values, the ethics of the ordinary with arise in primary care and other branch of medicine. Etymology. The term bioethics, Greek bios life, ethos behavior, was coined in 1927 by Fritz Jar, who, who anticipated many of the arguments and discussions now current in biological research involving animals in an article about the bioethical imperative, as he called it regarding the scientific use of animals and plants. Van Rensselaer-Potter, the American biochemist, also used the term with a broader meaning including solidarity towards the biosphere, thus generating a global ethics, a discipline representing a link between biology, ecology, medicine, and human values in order to attain the survival of both human beings and other animal species. Development of an interdisciplinary field. Although bioethical issues have been debated since ancient times in public attention, briefly focus on the role of human subjects in biomedical experiments, following conducted during World War II. The contemporary field of bioethics first emerged as an academic interdisciplinary field in Anglophone societies in the 1960s. Technological and end-of-life care, including the development of kidney dialysis and respiration. Purpose and scope. Puso ka lang. Purpose and scope. The fields of bioethics has addressed a broad swath of human injury, ranging from debates over the boundaries of life. The best example is abortion, euthanasia, surrogacy, the allocation of scarce health, care resources, example, organ donation, health and rationing, to the right to refuse medical care for religious or cultural reason. Bioethics often